So let's get started. So referrer based access control. So this lab controls access to certain admin functionality based on the referrer header. You can familiarize yourself with the admin panel by logging in using the credentials admin. So to solve this lab, log in using the credentials winner and Peter and exploit the flawed access control to promote yourself to become administrator. So as I said before, in real world pen testing job, you will have this kind of scenario where you will have basic user access and admin user. This is given to check if any of the admin functionalities can be used by the basic access user. This should not be possible if proper access control was implemented. We will check some admin functionality and see if normal user can use that. So let's access the lab. So let's copy that and use Burp browser. Okay, first thing, log in as admin, administrator and admin. So here we have admin panel. So this is the same functionality as before. So select the Carlos user and click on upgrade. Looks like Carlos user got into admin. So let's see what's happening in Burp Suite. So go to proxy and HTTP history. This is where I clicked on my account. It redirected to login page and I pasted my credentials, which is administrator and admin. Right? Then I went into /admin and clicked on upgrade user. So this one says /admin roles user upgrade. So here I want you to just see the referrer header. For every request, let's see what referrer header is doing. This home page does not contain any referrer header because this is the first request. It does not have any previous referrer, right? So when I click on my account and scroll down, here I can see referrer header. So what does this point to? This point to the home page, right? Which means this one. So basically this is saying that I came from / and it's asking, can I go to / my account? And when it goes here, it redirects to login page, right? As you can see login page, right? So if I go to login page, let's scroll down. Here it is having the same thing because it is a redirect. So after this, I sent the credentials and then I got a redirect, right? So when I sent the credentials, what endpoint was I using? As you can see, I was using the previous request, which was /login, right? So here also it is saying, I'm coming from /login. Can I go to /login, which is a post request, right? So that's exactly what it's saying. It reached my account ID equals to administrator. So this request was sent with the referrer as login. And after this, I clicked on admin panel, right? So if I click on this, what would be the referrer header? So referrer header would be my account. So if I scroll down, I can see my account ID equals to administrator. So if I go to this one in which I click on the upgrade user, right? So this request is saying to the server that, bro, I'm coming from /admin. Can I go to /admin roles? So that's exactly what it is saying. So let's send this request to repeater. So hope you understood what this referrer header is actually doing. So it is just referring to the previous request. So basically it is saying I came from here, can I go here? So when this request is sent, the server says, let me think. Okay, since you're coming from /admin, you must be admin, right? So okay, I'll let you have /admin roles. And server also says, thank you for using our services. It's a pleasure doing business with you. Guys, that never happened. Sorry, I made that up. Couldn't control my humor. Okay, so let's get back. So this is exactly how the access control was implemented, right? Server says, since you're coming from /admin, you must be admin, so I'll let you have this. Who is using this request right now? Based on the session cookie, admin user is using this cookie. So let's log out, go to my account, click on logout, and log in as winner user. So winner user will have his own session ID. So I can get that from Burp Suite right here, right? I have a new session ID. So let me send this to repeater. This is admin. So I can just copy this to winner and Since it is a GET request, I don't need anything else. So let me send this and see what happens. As you can see, I came from /login. So let's see what happens. Unauthorized. So it is checking this /login, which doesn't come from /admin. So access denied. So let's send it using /admin. And boom, it lets me in. So now based on the response and the request, I upgraded the privileges of Carlos user, not Wiener user. So if I try to follow this redirection, it will just simply throw an error by saying you don't have permission over here, right? So let's click on follow redirection and it says unauthorized. So let's go back, change this Carlos to Wiener and send it. And as you can see, we still got the same /admin, which is a good thing, which means Wiener user got upgraded to admin. So now I can follow redirection and see what's happening, right? I can directly render over here. As you can see, it says lab is solved and we got all these privileges, right? So now I can directly go to /admin, or I can directly reload this and I got the /admin over here, which is an admin panel, and I can downgrade this user. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Check out the description for payloads and other resources. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.